Welcome to the riverbank. Here, the calm surface of the water acts as our absolute zero. This landscape is a living number line. Otters dive below the surface into negative territory, while herons stand on the bank in the positive space. To navigate the math happening along this bank, keep one mantra in mind: watch the direction and the size. Division measures capacity. When we divide fractions, we are asking a specific measurement question. How many of this group fit inside that amount? This physical interpretation of grouping connects fraction operations to the rest of the number system. Consider this distance on the number line. An otter needs to reach the 3/4 mark by taking jumps that are exactly 1/8 in size. We need to find how many of those 1/8 jumps fit into that 3/4 space. To make the units easy to count, we can rename our destination. 3/4 covers the same distance as 6/8, which gives us perfectly matching segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly 6 of our 1/8 pieces fit into the 3/4 space. 3/4 divided by 1/8 equals 6. While we often expect division to result in a smaller number, dividing by a fraction less than 1 works differently. Because we are filling a space with very small pieces, it takes more of them to reach the total. Converting to common denominators shows exactly how those smaller pieces fill the space of the whole. Drawing common denominators for every problem can be slow. Take the problem 2/3 divided by 4/5. For calculations like this, we use the reciprocal rule, which converts fraction division into multiplication. This rule applies specifically to our divisor, the second fraction. The division sign changes to multiplication, and 4/5 flips upside down to become 5/4. Pause the video here. Use fraction multiplication to solve this new equation and simplify your result. Multiplying across the numerators and denominators gives us 10/12. When simplified, the final answer is 5/6. The reciprocal rule is an efficient tool for calculation, but its logic relies on the same grouping principles we used on the riverbank. Let's test your number sense on the riverbank. Without calculating an exact answer, should 5/6 divided by 1/3 be greater than or less than 5/6? Compare the sizes of the two values. 1/3 is a smaller unit of distance than our total space of 5/6. Because the 1/3 unit is smaller than the total space, multiple units will fit inside it. This means our final answer must be greater than 1 and therefore greater than 5/6. The exact answer is 2 1/2, confirming the result of our estimation. Division counts how many units fit into a space. This measurement perspective provides the foundation for working with ratios and rates.